I learned leadership and I learned like some people nowadays suffer from climate change and we can help them.
I learned how to invent something and how to work with my teammates. Today's theme is to protect the environment. I would like to create a service of a game booth to help people have a better knowledge about the world and how to recycle stuff.
I drew the products I want to make, such as soap, using natural products because I want to help people with like they don't have body soaps or anything.
同學佢哋都好積極去表達意見啦，佢哋都一路討論緊究竟佢哋可以點樣實踐，或者點樣可以幫到成個環境，去保護環境啦。我相信對佢哋都未來都會好有幫助。
今次同學仔其實可以學到關於環保嘅課題之餘，就可以用一個創業嘅模式啦，睇下做咗啲乜嘢嘅社會創新，幫到呢一個環保嘅議題。咁所以我覺得係一個好有意義嘅 program。
賽馬會成長基地，係。
賽馬會成長基地，
賽馬會成長基地，耶！